So yesterday, NVIDIA launched an open source large language model called NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super. And NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super is a 120 billion parameter model. But here's the great thing. It's got something that is called forward pass. So what forward pass allows, when you leverage the model, you have access to the 120 billion parameters, but only 12 billion parameters are active when using it, right? So you've got the reasoning and the power of the 120 billion parameters, but you only use the compute of 12 billion parameters. So this is the whole concept around forward pass, something I haven't heard of before, but which I really find interesting. The second thing I would like to share with you is the different reasoning modes you can use for different types of queries. So you can have a lighter reasoning mode using less tokens, or you can have a higher reasoning mode using more tokens. So what I've built, and I'll share it on GitHub, I've built this NVIDIA adaptive reasoning router. So what this adaptive reasoning router does is you can submit a query or a series of queries, and it shows you what is the best token use or reasoning strength required for your query, right? So you've got simple fact, you've got low effort reasoning, multi-step reasoning, code generation, and very complex reasoning. And what I did in this application, I created a grader. So this grader categorizes queries and makes use of the reasoning mode that's appropriate for that query. And you can see that I've got different budgets, right? So I've got token budgets, and I'm trying not to exceed those token budgets. And when I send the query, you can see here, I send the query, and then this query is classified into what reasoning category it falls in and what the content is in terms of token usage and what the reasoning. And then there's different examples. You can play around with it. You don't need any access to any GPU. All you need to do is to have an NVIDIA API.